Ờ. Ê, Tripura, Agartala chu nuwa min tiam. Hin lo khen thei mo kha.
Hin lo tong khoi mo.
Ê, hin lo khen thei lộp om le.
Tripura là mình lo mua cái. Cấp đối với Tripura branch.
Tripura branch xong rồi cái lộp khác rồi.
Ai, việc về cái này xí cái gì vậy? Anh khơi đâu không?
Helmet ka chu lau la. Hello, warm welcome ขอบไม่วิดีโอที่ท่านมินลากสักทับบ่มั้งอ๋ออันข่อยมั้งมาเซมอนเดย์อังไงอังเทคาที่โซโซเองเราตุป้าโซมั้งอ๋อSaint Gupta servicing is so good. They just know the error. It's the timing chain tensioner and give us a warm welcome and servicing my bike now. They will change the tensioner and maybe timing chain too.
Tôi này chuyển đến cái bảo hiểm rồi mà khi mà cái hàng đó là các làm bao nhiêu thì làm bao nhiêu chuyển đến cái bảo lên rồi thì các cái hàng đó thì sắp lên cái asan suy giúp cô biết tôi có thể chuyển vào in còn vice president of mass India vice president nào in thì mà các bạn này các bạn này đi sang big mic ấy các bạn này đi sang đi thank you so much ai hi tập suma anh xem anh ya tam liu liu không xin nào anh có sao cái mà tôi tiền đồ đó đó Nice, bro.
Nice, bro.
Nice, bro. Nice, bro. Nice, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tripura. You deserve it, man. Come on, deserve it. Thank you, listen. Lộn á, mày.
Hầm ôi tổ đó.
À, tôm luôn cùng luôn. Tao mới đây là cái phòng đấy.
Hey, cái thiệp ba anh thấy tuy ở bên là coi ta là cái thằng á, không gì thế nào, you don't shut the word I say. Let me say here, this is Abella's quarter. We training together, pharmacist in LCP. He got me a very good food here. It's so tasty. Yeah, patties. Yeah, egg patties. This is very good, man. You have a high blood pressure. Welcome to Khumulwng. Yeah, this is Khumulwng. Yeah, coming the streets of Khumulwng. Left side. Left side. Yeah, left. Salay tikat hoki sabasa ang kalon ni tôi bay chia ra bằng xong chỉ là hàng có kalon về phải là giấy tắm rợ đấy. Good morning, world.
Just like
Yeah.
Bongkon, San Maria.
Yeah, I got that. This is Khumulawng,
They will go on the pictures.
Khumulawng Church. Then this is Hammavi Hardware. That's like a mall. Yeah. And
Sunday, no?
yeah, Sunday is they all close on Sunday. But I see some open there. Yeah. School. Khumulwng Academy. School pun su nombel mày.
My wife's name.
Yeah.
Khumulwng is a flower, okay? Khumulwng is a flower in our language.
Flower. Yeah.
Name of the flower.
Yeah. Anu pui ming nen hian khala school kha ai tang ani Khumulwng. This is what boy?
This is, we call it very young ceremony.
Huh?
You know, brew.
Yeah.
The brew people.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah.
We call it Riyang here.
BM.
Riyang.
Riam.
Yeah, Riyang.
Yeah. Riam. Riam.
Riyang, not ram.
Riam.
Yeah, Riyang.
Yeah. Riam. I got that now.
R-E-A-N-G.
Yeah. Riam. Yeah, this is the place where my friends work. There's a pharmacy here. Yeah. You sit there.
Yeah.
Okay. This is where his duty. First floor is the operation theater. Oh. Thế ini kak. Hospital rang hang at suak le chia hey ka thian pa abela la apai ka khal saka ani hi nimin buai na ka to kan tarong kal phang me alo mom the a chuan kan chua san lenga ani hian kan kong kal na tur lam mi shil don ani.
This potential is deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you.
Tripura Stadium.
Tell me how to live.
And yeah. I think it's because of Sunday. It's
Yeah,
closed. Yeah. That's all we can see for now.
Right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want
House.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
Not
guest
actually
house. Yeah. Kind of hotel.
No, it's like
Yeah.
to live for the guests.
do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon.
Nu pa pain rong bol nek nek mayan cute clever. Anu am don the correct le tu ka. Hey, abela la arvul. Ania arte pahi avul atia. So an quarter compound hi kan sang ko la. Ni na. So ke thia ti hian ai. Ang pa. Hilai quarter om na. Sina hospital ngang kal na khathu ma me. Kuan nge moni chin du pon chin te dona betiang ti vel te su ka mu ga. Cua thời tế nuồm rồi phiền bọc à để ra thì Aron khinh lẽ hey kan reunion thì kan patumin kan mấy kan tilang về lẽ sim sim mà nghe ôi
You won't find in Mizoram this kind of vehicle.
yeah
이제 아가탈라 쪽에 넘어가고 계시죠?
tuk tuk we're riding on tuk tuk the park and
Come on. Yang bili batu dito.
this is Mr. and Mrs. Abelal.
I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my head. I'm sick of wishing I could just forgive and forget. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my
Khumulwng
mind, my
Eco Park.
mind, my mind.
Yeah,
And all these places
we're
that I go
heading
inside my head.
towards I don't know the bottom of the park, the inner
I know things only
side of the park. So
I will strive to be a better man,
there,
and I will die
this park
following my every
looks
plan.
beautiful too.
You'll slowly fade away with time. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my head.
Antenna
I'm sick
himmel.
of wishing I could just forgive and forget. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my mind, my mind, my mind. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my head. I'm sick of wishing I could just forgive and forget. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my mind, my mind, my mind. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my head. I'm sick of wishing I could just forgive and forget. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my mind, my mind, my mind. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my head. I'm sick of wishing I could just forgive and forget. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my mind, my mind. Everybody's got some highs and some lows. All that matters is how you deal with it all. I hope you realize this all with time. Just take control of the thoughts inside your head, and understand that what you think is what you get. I'll dream big, just watch me get what's mine. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my head. I'm sick of wishing I could just forgive and forget. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my mind, my mind, my mind. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my head. I'm sick of wishing I could just forgive and forget. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my mind, my mind, my mind. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my head. I'm sick of wishing I could just forgive and forget. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck
Mr. and Mrs. Am I right? Or not?
I'm sick of wishing I could just forgive and forget. I'm sick of all these thoughts that are stuck in my mind.
Let's make it like drawn like some sorts.
Sana. You going through there.
Yeah. unsteady. I feel ready, but my legs heavy. I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching. Finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping out of shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit.
Yeah.
Conscious bitch, that's the consequence. I got this, I will not quit. And I'm on it, honest. I go launch quick, and I'm honest. Just everything under my prime, just with my 9 to 5. I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10.
Apa cumi? Apa lang ai han? Sao đấy? Nếu mà mày có vụ vậy, lâu á?
I don't know why he's sitting like this.
Yeah. I think she's a fan. Lung lung trong phút. Chuyện hi hậu tập về riêng. Lung có tình tổ thế nào? Thấy không? Nó chụp. Rồi anh chụp cái không? Không thể nuốt này. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch, profit, spitting hot shit, I'm dropping, chronic, I think I'm about to